opening doors to feed their neighbors. Bosque Valley Mills Food Pantry is feeding those that need it, and people are showing up. I'm Chantal Belafonte, your neighborhood reporter in Valley Mills, and I spent the day at this food pantry that's making a difference on people's table.
About 15 years ago, I had 5 brain surgeries and it left me disabled.
Mercart is one of many Americans relying on food pantries to feed her family. After her surgeries, she found herself on a fixed income. 15 years later, she's still depending on the food pantry.
My only income is disability, and I'm a single mom. When you're dealing with a fixed income, um, it's it's hard because the money doesn't stretch anymore. I mean, inflation is so high.
A few years before Mercart showed up to the Bosque Valley Mills food pantry in need, 6 local residents came together to help fix food insecurities that continue to grow.
We're about 75% that are using the food discount or free food meals at school. So we have about 75% that are qualifying.
Even though Mercart's health isn't where she wishes it was, she volunteers at the food pantry. It's her way of saying thank you.
I mean, without it, it would be very, very hard to do what I do on a fixed income. And so it supplements where I can't, and that helps me feel like I'm doing my job as a parent.
The Bosque Valley Mills food pantry is the only one in town and the only one that gives out meat.
The only reason we can give meat is because we have such good volunteers that give money, monthly.
It's the unknown donors that Mercart and others will never meet, but will always remember.
Me and my children are the face of people you are helping, and we are very thankful and grateful.
The food pantry gives out food every second Thursday of the month, and every fourth Wednesday of the month is Fruit and Veggie Day. Anyone can come and get food. I'm Chantal Belafonte, your neighborhood reporter in Valley Mills.